Save money, conserve water, and reduce wastewater by replacing your leaking toilet flapper. Installation is easy. To get started, you will need the toilet flapper and a steel wool cloth or other abrasive pad. Before replacing the flapper, make sure to shut off the water supply valve found behind the toilet. Next, remove the lid from the toilet tank and flush the toilet to remove as much water as possible from the tank. Disconnect the lift chain from the flush lever and pull the pivot arm mount pegs off the old flapper from the overflow tube, pulling the old leaky toilet flapper from the tank. Wipe the seal of the valve seat with steel wool to remove hard water buildup, ensuring the new toilet flapper has a clean, secure fit. Next, line up your new toilet flapper with the pegs on the overflow tube, positioning the flapper over the drain. Push down on the flush lever on the outside of the tank to give the chain enough slack to open the toilet flapper, while also providing a secure seal when closed. Clip the chain on your new toilet flapper to the flush lever. Adjust the chain if necessary. For the last step, turn on the water supply and allow the tank to refill with water. The new toilet flapper should form a tight seal that prevents water from leaking out of the tank. Replace the tank lid. As easy as that, you can prevent leaks and conserve water.